Yes, mate.
I don't think you're meant to be holding your phone and using it. I saw that very clearly.
Oh, it's amazing.
And I don't think you're meant to have such illegally tinted windows. Not really ideal of him doing that, but not too bad either. Jeez, you need a magnifying glass to read, and you're using it, are you? Hey, wrong direction. Still back on the phone. Oh, let's go stand in the cycle path there. You can see through the sunshine on his window. I can clearly see that's a phone. I can see his right thumb gesturing on it. Zero shit's given, huh? If you're going to be that arrogant, look at the WhatsApp gap you've left. Phone down, I can then clearly see the screen on his phone. So the only reason I'm taking another pass at him is to make sure that I have sufficient evidence. Apart from that, I'm not going to talk to him. I'm just going to go on my way and leave him. Second time, huh?
What the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Why? What's wrong with you using your phone?
Why are you coming out on a Saturday morning and just driving around abusing people? It's disgusting.
No one's been abused by me.
Why don't you go and get a job?
Well, I'm going to go and report you to the police because their use of the phone is unacceptable. Yeah, you're angry because I caught you. That's why. And why am I out here? It's because I've got a quarter of an hour before work. So yeah, suck it up, mate. It's a good thing that he realizes that the old phone is not the right thing to use.